Nothing beats subscribing to the BYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yolana ethi po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
Like one. Squad space into this keyword is.
Yeah, me go on. Yes, Valera. I was testing you. You passed. This time I'm going to see inhlamba leyo ninkamphompo ngayizwa. Komnye uPopeye angikhulumi ngambukela uPopeye. Fana ngiqala wonke umuntu mfana.
Wonke umuntu wayelininkamphompo.
Ngitsiri ninkamphompo. Phela usithi iboys usithi ungafundi ibaleli one lesikhiwa.
Jake, speaking of cartoons, Jake, ngilokhuzile. Ngidownload ama-cartoons akudala ngifuna ukubukela isiboys. Cause ithe isithi ngifakela ama-cartoon, bona ama-cartoon angkhona hayi. Mina ngadinga something yokuthi even lami nxa ngiyizikhala lapha nani angibi le pressure.
Alright.
Mana uthi kube kuhamba njani?
Ibifuna ama-cartoons, right? So mina ngihle ngadownload ama-cartoons lawana njani. Engwazi.
No bananas in pajamas.
That's why.
Ari vele cheka abafana bakharesi bakwazi ama-cartoon ngiyinamboni.
Because obananas baba safe mthatha.
Vele ngeke ngikambu bananas. Ubananas uyiswi.
Abanika yipe i-cartoon.
But as ngimfakele okhonani ngamfakela olokhuzeni
Watch out for the tree.
Zwana manje ukuthi ibinjani ngafaka uVoltron Lion Force wakudala okuqala ngabe ngifaka uGalactic Football ngabe ngifaka uTransformers uBeast Wars
Obusenzela iboys.
Yeah bensenzela lami.
Catching up with your jeans.
Mina uyinkazana mina eJF uThupu lemkhulu uThupu.
Olezondara.
Lezi izinto ezizibukelisa.
But uThupu there was homeless. Wayehlala epark or something.
No, but come to think of it, ule point.
uThupu wayehlala epark.
So ukuthi uThupu ngulokhuzeni. Nguchika uJoy kudala. Wazikhulumela yedwa kuPort.
Uchika kodwa wayehlala epark.
Awusonguyizwi lokhuzeni.
Uchika imindaba ke ngikhumula yilene ukungena ebhasini ngemistake.
Yikho phela kwaqala khona. Anti wafika ngalo wafika endaweni engayisiyo. So wayengasela indawo yokuhlala wahlala nga.
Ama-artists are the stories
But it's a Cinderella story.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
It's a Cinderella story. Like.
Mina ngikholwa ukuthi as an artist in the stories ngani siyahlabusa nje ukuthi kuthiwa
Alamanga.
ayila.
Alamanga.
Ngiyakutshela.
Akola artist lonke le story.
Ingxenye sokusiya ukuthi usixoxa njani istory sakho. Because singabe singachazi but ungaba nendlela yokusi
Ake sawalk.
Kule difference between phela kuba lama moments lokuba le story.
yabo mina nama moments othi ngangokha ngiye studio.
But enye problem uthi uwalker kwakuyi lifestyle.
Ayiko depend amdala ukuthi walka kwakhuluma
kuphi. Wokha.
Hey wena.
Cheke ikhumbula please remember leyani yayiwalker lesiyibona every day. Lakhathesi. What?
Leyazi itsho mina nesetown leni wokha le. Engathi dikarate kancane so I think ihlale.
Remember lona uhlala iphathini.
Exactly bro.
So lena phela like he from early days, like he was rocking ama kicks nje.
Leza mubalekela iminyaka wethi from early days. Khulumini baba. Amumnyaka. So dala la.
Smelele. Early days le yipi.
Jikela phansi kwebus.
Pero mhlawumbe bukela bebezithe ukuthi early days before COVID.
Yes. Ala early days.
Hayi but ichom lethi siyazi from as early as 2010.
2010.
Yeah.
But qinisile ayelahlela ama kicks.
Ama kicks.
I think
ayilahlela
he just
nje.
even in basketball. I think he used to ball.
Big fan, like even the way he dresses,
tell,
like
yeah.
you could tell.
So lena phela ngeke sizethi ile story lena i series le. Ngoba nakathesa.
Televise it.
Angise kubo episode 700 and something.
Naruto nje.
Naruto.
Naruto kapheli nje. Ise episode 700 chakuthi.
Manje wabona like that Dragon Ball thing. But when I say new episodes, but how many years is Spaghetti that shit?
Bro, mthi uTround bro ngokuhlala kugonyelwa.
Kubhonyelwa.
Kube gomela.
Itiko.
Kuthela kugomela.
Come.
Ngase bemchaya ngengqindi uze next on Dragon Ball.
Akuhlukana ngala ama move ama Indians.
It's true. Na but I'm of my Indians ngiyafika kancane.
Ndoda imovie ye-Indian mfanami yonke into yabihamba right bese bethintana ngeminwe so mfanami bachibilika i-episode yonke lokho bechibilika.
Soundtrack elabele ngemuva mdala.
Ibeat lakhona mdala.
This past week bengibukele something ngazathi okay bengakubukelanga ngubone kuphela.
Hayi
Awubukele it's okay bro.
It's
okay.
It's a safe space.
So ubukeleni?
Ngananzelela
Asidani njalo.
Nigeria ngani I don't know, it was playing on TV, it was a Nigerian movie.
Right ubukela
Ubukela Nigerian movie.
Nigeria uku-actor kupopota like you're not a good actor and it's going what you say that to my
Kuthiwa in Nigeria they are very good actors because when they're acting they really show you that we are acting.
Damn.
Right.
Damn.
Right.
But it's not all movies that are bad. Like even I'm Indian, I hate them, but there are 3. Engabukela sharp. Like recently, I posted ngabukela 3 Idiots in the boys.
Our 3 Idiots run out ngabi ngama Bollywood. But with 3 Idiots,
It's still Bollywood.
Loslam Talk Millionaire.
see, but that's not even Bollywood, bro.
Amazo Om Shanti Om.
Yes, that was the first one engayibukela
Shanti
bro, that one. But
dog.
then it was Bollywood and Hollywood.
Yeah, but
It was
still,
combined.
But me, I think Uslam Dog is not really Bollywood, bro.
You guys
I-
watch those movies
that's-
and finish.
Yes.
I know if you watch them, you don't even see the Bollywood of the movie.
But I say ungayenza ama excuses. Yes, we watched them.
Yeah, we watch
Yes.
them.
Yeah, we watch
I
them.
know, with you I understood. It makes
No
sense.
3 Idiots ngangilayela ku laptop. So it's not even not ngambukela.
A for Apple,
U3
B for
Idiots,
Bosch.
U3 Idiots yaze wacombine izinto eziningi like real life issues mixed with comedy.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Yeah, but
Ngikukhumbuza 3 Idiots nguphi?
It was a bit of a musical also, wasn't it?
exactly. A for Apple, B for boys.
Okay.
It was a bit of a musical as well, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But every Bollywood is
They all are actually. Ne?
Yeah.
there has to be like a juxtapose and then we start dancing. Come on.
I don't think into Zile cannot be classified as racism.
When
No, that's
We are
Let me
calling
tell
a
you
spade
something.
not a push spoon.
ngangihambe kuthiwa Global Village what in some other country and mina ngathi ngidlula one of those Arab people were like akona matata.
he was being racist.
You see, so it's
So
fine.
then you guys are also being racist.
1-1.
Aye,
Someone is
1-1.
being racist.
In this
1-1.
case,
No, I think racism.
One.
I think racism comes in when you are trying to ukuyangisa umuntu and make them feel little about themselves. I think lokho kana kabe kuyinto lana yokuthi like when you don't know ukuthi into lana ichoni kibo, but when you know ukuthi sound lani ngakhala, you think of Indians. Bona hakuna matata, they think of Africans.
That sounds like long racism there, bro, that you're explaining.
No,
Jalo
all right, okay.
but-
Let me just say it's indirect.
But sheke sungacabanga lo akuna mathatha phakathi kwezonke izinto.
Yikho abakwaziyo.
Akuna mathatha yiko kodwa.
Yikho abakwaziyo.
kuyini
Yikho
ukuthi
yonke sikwaziyo.
Akuningi esidume.
In the jungle. But that's still the same thing. Limbs. That's still
Kuningi
that.
esidume ngakho.
Ikhwapha.
But ungathi khwapha phela songani sokhuluma vele it's back home phela vele siyaduma phela ngekhwapha lapha.
Hayi basijaja.
I cost you.
Basijaja.
Singaze sizama njani there's few of us that are fighting the good fight.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
It
Hayi
is what it is.
kwasto.
dog.
Ama-gents naze give up.
Ifight yekhwapha siyayiluza ndudu.
Ngoba eish. Kulama EG amaningi nje.
I fight.
Maningi ama
Sesiyiluza even locally.
Eish.
No, also I think most of us esigezayo, right? They can't really say ukuthi singawa.
Man, lovely.
Utheni locally is like
Asinathi lapha mjala.
God damn.
It's only been 10 minutes, bro. It's only been 10.
Oh, it's been 10. All right. Nancy intro. Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Boys and girls.
Boys and girls.
Welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet. This is the BYO podcast, episode.
Yonalea.
Uniprime uningiqhatshe komalume esonyalova esipanini kwesinye isikhathi. So nxa usubuya usakwazi esipanini limi nga. But it's good to be back. I heard we're in the 200th percentile. It's good to be back. I haven't been back in a while. And I didn't come by myself. Pause. Dark skinned niggas are up.
Yeah. King Melanin.
You know what I'm saying?
House. Hey, Inkosi Nsonto. Somathalente latest. The Black Cherry. The Black Excellence. Ugas. Umvemve. Umthetho. Yeah, guys, I can spend the whole day.
But
Sanganja.
Yegazu.
I'm here with Uvele Vele. Is it official Vele Vele or just Vele
It's
Vele?
vele. Ani lapha sabe sezama la ukuthi sithi
Oh,
official.
kanye
Yimi
ukuthi-
ngi-official abangeli ngabezwa. Asazi ukuthi ngobani. Ama mistakes nje.
Listen, Kohle, talk. What was your name before?
I used to go by Major Prodi.
Yes, I had forgotten.
It was
I
true.
knew all the music.
Uphosa wambiza endlini.
Mposa ngambiza
Utshela
ngesibongo.
ubani? Utshela ubani?
Yeah?
Utshela ubani elendlini?
Wow, all right. Right, that's what it could have been. Hey, why am Major Brody? So, this is lo Vele Vele la. How did you come by that name? I don't want to. I just want to ask because.
Ngoba mina ngizabela ke mbizela kudala ngani it's wired, man.
No, you can still use it. Uporo Matumani.
Okay.
Okay.
Urizino alakhaya.
Okay.
You can still use it.
Uvele vele ngumajor.
Vele.
Okay, ha.
Uvele vele
Finally. So kungcono.
Nice buza phela nje sake saduma kwathi amandebele adume ukuthi vele 25 times a day. Wena uthuthi usubuvele vele ngathi
I was
Mina
cementing
ngenzeka-
the myth. I was cementing the myth.
What
Make
are
sure
the
ukuthi
vele?
vele.
Vele.
Like vele.
Vele.
And you know, absolute. Kanjalo.
It's nice to have you. Why ungakafiki vele lapho? Why is it your first time? Is it?
My first time. I'm always there online watching.
Kwamele ubuye. Onishe sebabuya kumbika 5 la.
I'm going to jam around. When this guys have say kaya ngale siye Lucy Nkomo. Yabo.
Then kwesinye isikhathi khuluma sisi.
I say Lucy Nkomo.
Kwesinye isikhathi
Khuluma.
Somland phezulu kwamatafula. Some studio camp, you know what I mean? Yes, this is big.
But congrats on what you've been up to, bro.
You know, big podcast, big me, big everybody, yeah. So big things. So they are watching big things. Yabo.
Only
Big
makes sense.
audience.
Silama superstar namhla ngaphandle kwababo. Ajela uhleka kakhulu la.
Babo, don't worry.
No, the thing is when I'm on headphones.
Tell the ice man. Tell the ice man told. Tell the ice told.
You say 320 kp.
Tell the ice told. Tell the ice told.
But it's only a matter of time, I guess. I mean,
Bathi boba patient. Good things take time, bro.
Yo. It's fine. Bathi uzabathola one day.
Lingahleka so
La revenge.
lingahleka so liyangiqabanisa le member yakho.
Hawa.
Mina usually abantu ngabetshayisa la mbambuza ukuthi uthini uDakudu, you know. Uthini uMaster KG awusitshela.
You really wanna know?
Uthini
You really
la?
wanna know? How to wanitwa mos.
Nice one.
Nah. But it's a cool dude. He's a cool guy. He's a cool owner.
Lo t-shirt lena ibhenga. Uyakwazi kulokunye uthi siyasupportana ngoba siyasupportana. Bese bona istaff ezathi le ibhenga le.
Abantu but manje sidingeni sisikha unswazi yabona iswazi zama abros silandele abantu sibagatse kakhulu. Ezama abros. Yazi ama abros.
Uma bros.
Umabros awubazi. Right inswazi zakhona lezana. Ziyiswizi yakatsa. Yakatsa so abantu babefuna ukulandelela yabona
Uthi
ukuthi
bengathi baya.
All right, apros.
Selungu abros.
Kanti
Umabros,
umabros
guys.
mawumnengi, uyiabros
Uyabros
wayo.
ngoyi-1 be. Guys inganzi nje. Jaja.
Man, lapho ubuye kahle.
Lapho ubuye kakhe.
Awu
Say
abro.
welcome to the home.
Of Mabros. It's fine.
Bro.
It's fine.
Ithini industry talk.
Oh, the industry is dope. Inzima. Ziyakhala. Sibona lo lalowana. Abanye baventa. Yeah, abanye bakhuluma kuma Facebook lapha. Abanye bayatshelana inyongo.
Njenge Facebook.
Yeah.
Mina kwazi bro. To be honest, I'd been off.
Uvela hlafakazele phezulu.
Hayi Facebook ngiyayithanda. Village
Alo,
ngiyakuthanda.
Bryce,
Akula sibhubhubhu lapha.
Mina doggy Facebook, I'd kind of gotten off Facebook for a very long time.
Bryce.
Yeah.
Bryce.
Uyayithi.
Abo.
Facebook ngathi channel kodwa ngani Facebook sile momentum. Uthola ukuthi Facebook sile momentum or sengicross over la msengu age liya.
Well, the
Khuluma iminyaka
latter
Akuthi hayi.
sounds quite convincing. So cross it over.
But stuff isiningi ngathi senzala ku Facebook. Uthiwa mbani unkazana lo? Bryce amthandayo lo. Bryce ngathi ukhuluma ngayo usewamqamba.
Angimthandi abantu bamazi.
Awusangathi Queen Nadia.
View once.
Ule content guys, ule content. Bachita. Ule
Funny enough balokhuzila. Ba complain nge-account yakhe lapha nani baphoma ukumrestrict ezinye izinto. Wabevule enye account wayithi ngu-view once.
Yebo. Ubusisi ngamanga ukuthi uyamthanda.
Angimthandi
Ngophethe iphokopoko lonke.
uyatrenda Buddhas. Enye ngiyibonile.
Kanjani abanye singamazimu uzwe ngawe.
Uzambona njani wena ungekho ku Facebook?
Ngikhona ku Facebook ngina
All right,
account.
let me rephrase. Uzamazi kanjani wena vele ungangeni ku Facebook?
Hayi ngiyangena.
Asicheckeni last season yakhe.
My algorithm ayingihambisa entweni ezinjalo.
Jane.
So that means wena.
Sihlala siku-forwardela Jane ukwenzela ukuthi sibe le prep awucheck.
Uyabona ukuthi algorithm maybe moshwa mbani. Uthe sihlala sinjani? Sihlala sinjani?
Qhubeka
Phinde.
Jane.
Usinikile yedwa.
guys, content.
Uhlala ungiforwardela. Kuvela kubani?
Akeli nje abamreportileyo bebesolani lapha.
The gay.
I-view once.
Lingabo kwenza khonoko. Lingabotha abantu nxa bezithengisela umchasbait lapha naselibuya selizosola. Hamba ngala.
Nah, sorry guys, content lana ayibukele guys.
Kanjani?
Ayibukele content.
Mina but stuff lesena ngasikhutha ngabona ngombe account yakhe restricted ngabona so ngani soku spill over to Is that girl, is she South African or she's from here?
I think she's Zim in SA. She's Zim in SA, if I'm not mistaken. Abanye getsa la man ko sure. But into yakhe ngane eshaya. Ngoba ama numbers. The numbers.
Yeah, I saw she was it millions of views?
Yeah.
No, it's like a billion. Billion.
With a B.
Yeah.
With a B.
Yeah. With
Homemade.
With a B.
Yes.
With a B.
Yeah. Omunye ufakile screenshot a video with 13 likes, 1 comment, billion views.
Kahle.
People are just watching.
Singabambanisa thina ama streams yethu. Kunzima ukuthi sifike kuwe khathesi.
Very first 1 second ye video.
So kahle yena.
Liyabona kodwa Liyabona kodwa ama-gents. Liyabona
hayi uvele endorse mntana
uvele ngazwakala.
vele akulanto ayizwayo vele
Guys, yabona se-paradise lapha kuse-paradise. You say what you want, when you want, how you want it.
How you want it.
You know, yeah.
Liyabona kodwa ama-gents ukuthi sesingathi isi-wench has become a very lucrative thing. That's all I'll say.
yeah
And you know, it always ends up with conversation ukuthi, do we blame the girls who are doing this? But if she's getting 1 billion views,
Dora Becky United.
clearly niggas is watching.
Yeah, Dora Becky United. Taking the money, bro.
As ama-gents aseyenza isi-wenchi vele mina I think ngiza blame ama-gents. Ama-gents aseyenza isi-wenchi saye saba lucrative to a point yokuthi amajita asesendi 200,000
ndoda ulibonile i-pop leliyana ndoda
200,000.
Sifake pressure.
You were sending 200,000 for what? Give the audience context.
have lunch
So what's that guy's name?
mana ncheck
Ubesendela ubani?
iseduze
Ubesendela ubani? Ngumihlali yani. I don't know how it leaked, whether it leaked from Mihlali or from the guy, or he thought he was a flex.
From Michali's friend, I
Hey,
think.
but talk
From
about
Mihlali's friend.
Yes.
Also, if she was the one flexing on her friends, I get
The
it.
friend is the one who was hooking her up with the guy.
with the
Nguyuma plaga.
Yes, Nguma Black. Then when Hula Mar.
No, but if you say, okay, please, what you blame at Namashita? I blame at Namashita to a certain extent. Because Karesi checker, I was checking out that thing, Eganandi, you know, the X120's
Oh, okay, yeah.
And you know, she's a whole, she's a good stereotype,
woman.
wholesome woman and thing. But then, did you realize that the backlash that they told about fazin? Which would be abafazi laba bakwenzayo
Kuba isifebe ungatholi lutho.
bago enjoy.
Hey,
Have you seen how-
utheni?
Take give.
Uthe kubuhlungu yini?
Ukufeba mara. I don't think that's nice. Imagine doing it for free. You know how being slut shamed for nothing. I wonder if they slut shame you and you are well up. You have
Uziduduze ngokuthi hayi at least
properties
ngidobile.
and shit. You know how people used to they slut shamed what's her name? Boiti, right?
Yeah.
Karela
Wakavi ponde 4 million over 3 years. Endlu yakhe. Yabo? I-difference yankhona vele inkulu. Ahlubona ukuthi alifanani. When uyenza for free for the community and then omunye uyenza, I don't know. I think those ones who do it for money are better.
Flex. The image.
So are you saying ukuthi
Godfather.
at the end of the day umuntu olemali nxa esenza khonokho ungcono kulomuntu ongela mali? Because I think people get into these things looking for different things. Abanye, they are unfortunate ukuthi they are looking for love from abantu who are already owned by other people.
You
they're trying to
cannot
fulfill.
find
And then
love
can
from
I-
20 niggas.
Can I
Mana,
land? Phela?
it's
Can
a
I
numbers
land?
game.
Can I land?
Land. Land, bro.
Right. So ukuthi like abanye and they do it, they are seeking love at the wrong places. Ebantwini abalabantu babantu. Then abanye, they are doing it because they want to end poverty empilweni zabo. Yabo? And bona baba end poverty empilweni zabo into elani igcine addictive because yabe sekwazi ukuthi it's easier ukuthi athole imali ngakhonokho. So my question was, ukuthi, are you saying ukuthi laba abayenza for money they are better than those that are doing it seeking emotional attachment?
I don't think hoes want emotional attachment. There's no way you are
Asikwazi.
no goes ungaphomba kuba i-throat coat
Hey.
for vibes.
Hey.
Kuthiwe udinga emotional attachment. I don't think there's anything like that. There's some people who hoe because they're hoes and it's in their blood and they're not getting anything from it. Like totally. I'm not saying those ones who hoe for money are better because you're both doing the same thing. But the other one, ulokhu usala uswabile. Awukhanyi lokuthi like you remember that conversation we had about people who let rich niggas smash for nothing, for free. But they don't give them because they're stupid. And then there are those ones who actually know how to get sheets.
Some people already hope because they already have money. If you check last
They
week's
are rich
episode,
hoes.
yeah, they already umuntu angikhona yabe lento yonke sithi amkhumula lana like the ghost esasilayo from the last episode. I'm not sure ukuthi ubukelile. She was saying ukuthi mina I already have a car, I already have a house. I don't need anything from you.
But
What the fuck?
is she hoeing?
Man,
Yeah, from her words. She was saying ukuthi hayi mina nxa ngifuna mina ngiyakwanisa ukuthi senze ama vibes ethu asharp. But it doesn't uyakwanisa ukuthi ube le mali yakho ungangichazi mina ngifuna umuntu ongichazayo. So that's what I'm saying ukuthi abanye abantu they want emotional attachment. Abanye abantu they want money.
wena
So
uthini wena uthini?
Yabona mina
Silande wena la.
yabona sheka mawuntshela mina itora big United yabona I'm there, you know. Let's take the money, guys. Me, I don't judge, you know, because everyone does what they do, bruh, for a reason. They come from where they come from. Nah, I mean that happens to go.
So support ama wenchi mntwana.
I support my wench. I support ukuthatha imali. Uyabo. I support ukuthatha imali because it's about the bag at the end of the day. And nxa ungam affect umuntu wakho nomunye wakho sithe kuyenza yabona. Remember wakhe. Okay, I'll give an example of
that's fucked up.
abantu abayenza adult content. Umuze sithi ngile husband yami, kumbe ngile boyfriend yami si serious. But I adult content. Uthatha ibag, shaya lo member. Wabo? So it's more of a
Because if
You
you
know,
those
will
people
affect
that are
kanjani?
judging the hoes, they wouldn't give them a cent.
yeah.
Benjalo, they wouldn't even afford the whole of it.
Plus yithe kasi sabe sikhuluma esikufunayo lapha nesingena mali thina sisigathi somshova yabo.
So lapha lithi abantu abazonda amahoza abalalutho.
Ngiyabona ngathi iyakhona bi conversation. Kuthiwa nxa uzonda ama wenchi.
I'm
Awula
steering you into the right
Awafunda
direction.
ama
You are
wenchi.
going to get where I want you to go. Asambeni.
Ah, Captain Price.
So lapha
Captain Price. Lo ufuna ukuzibophela lo.
Mina, you know what my opinion is with these stories. I said also ukuthi, what did I say? What was the line I said earlier?
Ukhulile mngana.
Hey mdoda. Hey mdoda. Call him this guy.
Ukhulile. Fine. We forgive you.
ndoda sikhuluma ngamahoza.
Sindlulile isizini yokucabanga.
Iskayo ndoda sikhuluma ngamahoza.
Sefukuyacabanga.
Ama-hose engandithandi. Mina ansobe
Chekile tiphizi, chekile ikhuluma ngamagogogo ndoda.
Lalela.
Come on.
My point was, or what I feel like, I don't know if I leaned into this earlier. Amajita have inflated. I said yes. I said ubu wenchi has become a lucrative thing. So, you know, for most of these people, they're also fully aware ukuthi ngesindebele nje kuthiwa zithiwa ngezigudlayo. It's a simple case of zithiwa ngezigudlayo. And with most of amajita that actually use i-English yemali to get what they want, it's because simply zithiwa ngezigudlayo. And you mean, my query or my qualm kind of isn't English ukuthi niggas paying to get what they want. It's when these women who go through this then come out and maybe feel like, there's no love anymore these days. You know, it becomes a complaint. Yeah, but the tiwang is good.
Pass down.
Lenzwisisa ipoint engiyithola.
Yeah, no,
Ukuthi nxa uzangena egemini
Eh.
ukwazi ukuthi lapho uzotsha cash for crack. Ungabuyi later usu
Pass down son.
ngoba for me kufanani fana ukuthi kade singa discover ukuthi okay anje abafazi bakhala ukuthi uthiwa vele you know there's no quality men left amajita awasekho akusela ma real relationships left, but I feel like that's because they've overtly shown ukuthi money is the tool that can easily be used to acquire what you want. So if I'll give an example, let's say discover ukuthi amapolisa ama-roadblock adizeka ngempida yabo sesihlala silempida
Example yakho.
Liyamuzwa.
Aya akapheki.
Silekelela ipheki
Akapheki.
impida.
Akapheki. Pheka umpita boy.
Khanzinga fa.
sesihlala silempida ebhuthini
Ungafaki tamatisi.
Ngingazihlupha nge-spare tire nge-fire extinguisher ngomthelo anto ngikwazi ukuthi as long as amajida angafika officer kodwa licheba ngani endlini, you know. So now we end up with a scenario where niggas just know as long as I put money forward, I don't need to work on my personality, I don't need to work on being there, I don't need to work on, and that's how we end up with a scenario where into fucked up ngabotsheri bona laba abazidla imali lezi. They always come back later to write tell all stories about how fucking heartbreaking it was and how sad they were and how used they feel.
Also for interaction. Lama likes.
Maybe they're just hoeing themselves a second time.
Ish.
Actually.
Like you've done it physically, now you do it emotionally.
Emotionally.
But
Yeah. Yabo?
cheka ule uyinto lokana kodwa.
Upresile yini ndoda?
Cheki.
Upresile?
I think we got there. I think we got there.
Yeah, aunt.
But yabona even alright sesikhulume varini lakho futhi yabona even le relationship yakho ne serious la yayifuna imali yabona.
Alonga ngiyani. But yabona ngasuthi relationship. I'm working on other things as well.
But then levels of ukuthi u-out alobanga manje. Yabo?
Yes. But lona phela 200 scores go ngaso relationship.
Alright.
Lona wayecela igontinti.
Awuvele.
Nah.
Let me ask you something, bro.
Yeah.
Would you date a person in the industry?
What? Okay. I once did.
You once dated a person in the industry?
I once did.
Do you,
He's reminiscing.
No. Okay, I once did.
No, I'm just imaziyo lo.
Elazi flashback ikamera mazeli kucheckile.
Right, guys, on a serious note, yeah, I once did. I would, depending on my personalities. Yabona.
Liyazwisisana.
Yabona. Sabisizwana. Yeah. Umunye liyamazi apare ngeke la
It's a
cabanga.
safe space. Akula muntu vele. Akula muntu oyibukela i-podcast le.
Fanami.
Khululeka che.
Okay. We're talking about Facebook. Yeah, no, I want to connect it. Wabo. Man, I'm fine.
Yeah, so it's cut.
So,
it's that time.
so once upon a time, there was a lady. Begule robbery like online lapa, and she was coming back and forth like attacker, like attacker. Selimaza.
On Facebook.
Fana.
How?
Once upon a time.
Once you pull in town.
Yeah, yabo.
Ibizo lakhe liqala ngekhala. Maybe sisimangale kakhulu. Maybe sisimangale kakhulu.
Hayi akulungile.
So like la.
We were good like that. We were nice.
Yena ngutshero nguswi.
On a personal level, yeah, she's quite a cool person. You know, she's got two sides figured out.
Kama ngokuhamba njani lapha ku Facebook lapha abantu bayenza
Hayi lokho ngomsebenzi yabo. Ngomsebenzi yabona. I think njengabantu abalama brand, omunye le brand yakhe built.
Kana kuzange kuphuma ama video.
Kasi selifuna siyazikhuluma.
Mana, akuzange kuphuma ama video kathi.
Guys.
Akuzange kuphuma ama video aye.
Hey guys lo.
Aphuma. Manje sihlala sikhuluma bana.
Hayi. Asikwazi. Ngobani?
However,
Mina ngikwazi mana vele mana.
Mina ngifuna ukuthi hey uKabelo wathi.
Asikhulumele phuthasa. Indaba ngiyakho.
Okay, fine guys, okay.
Nasi stupid, the floor is yours.
I'm gonna say it. So once upon a time, I did it Black Diva. Once upon a time.
Okay.
Once upon a time. But, you know.
So you would date an industry girl.
Yeah.
Were you an industry guy back then?
Yeah.
Or
I
lapha-
was doing
Layers
you know, I
are
started on
industry.
hip-hop, you know.
Yakwazi ndoda discover ukuthi omle yadlala i-disc professional.
I used to
Yakwazi
play
khona.
soccer.
Hayi.
Remember yadlala i-Young Warriors. Ndoda.
But I was way back.
Wena mfana ungakanani?
Mfana mncane mina, God.
Keep isithupha la. Keep isithupha remember indala le. Remember yadlala i-Young Warriors ndoda.
Oh, it's really
That was
since
way
back in the
back,
day.
Ngicela
My
ukuthi
interest.
singadeflect. Ngifuna ukuzisithatha sonke.
Nawe James usha ucheck reverse ongaka.
Ngifuna ukwazi uma ngikujaja from one level.
Check reverse engaka.
At what capacity?
Check reverse engaka. Lo
Kwase-
ujuve sibili.
Ngiqinisile ukuthi angimazi.
Ngiyakubona uyadeflecta futhi. Kwase
Deflect, guys. Hey, life became life. I think we just at the end of the day, siyaphambi ukukhetha amanye amaphathi.
mana adambo
Yeah,
munye.
yeah.
None.
Ulamanga nguwodantshwa. Weqomba
Oh, now
manje.
I don't get me name.
Hayi ungathi nani vele kula nto.
Because we grew apart. We grew apart, distance. Because me, I move around a lot. Ne?
Fwem. We got Mr. Mileage
You
in the
move
house.
around as in you travel or
Yeah, I
you are
travel a
fast in
lot.
the streets. You need to specify.
Into le lama.
Angikho ma streets, guys. I don't
Really?
Lami bake bangicorrect
I
mthetho.
don't
Ngikhuluma la into le.
Hayi
Really?
tricky.
Or you were traveling a lot.
Yeah, I travel a lot. Not
And
I
then-
was traveling. I do travel a lot.
Yeah, you do. And then what about you? Fa!
What is shit?
No, but we had a solid one.
Very,
Kwalasta
one.
ngesikhathi sena saswi kwaba yiswi ngesikhathi sena leso kwaphela.
Oh.
Amajita nje.
Believer or
Oh.
Amajita nje wazingozi.
Wow.
Lokho kukhuluma kuhle ama ex awo.
Guys.
Right, I've got a question to all of you guys. Mostly, ngiyakwazi ukuthi kanje wonke umuntu ku-industry la. So, from your experience, what's better, dating someone who is in the industry or someone who is not in the industry?
Dating someone
In your opinion and in your experience.
Better how? In what terms? What exactly?
Okay, let me put it this way. A relationship that you enjoyed the most, right? When you say good dating phase, not khangele ukuthi kade sisusetly, like when you're on the dating phase, which relationship did you enjoy the most? Relationship when you dated someone who's not in the industry or someone who's in the industry?
I-relationship nise prime dala leyana engahluphi le. Leyana
Simple,
check
Mdala.
yayimnandi.
Asibe ngubaba lo mama,
Lapha I'm sure vele sonke sasiku-industry. Sasilevel
Solid,
so.
Mdala. Mina ngingubaba wena
Sasikili,
ungumama.
Mdala.
Lina lingabantwana.
Yakwazi wena yakwazi uyithome Facebook ubhara webhara skits. Ayazi iskiti sakhe lesenenze ukuthi asidlaleni ubaba nomama.
Wena kuthiwa uzaba yini?
Wena ngubaba. And then yena sokuthaya manje hayi mina mfuna manje abhara uboys igame. Hayi kodwa nibe inkukhu. Kodwa nibe inkukhu. Kodwa abhara uboys igame.
Yathi alright.
All right chap. All right.
So isikhathi sokulala.
Yathi koko.
Distant emotion.
Yazi into inkukhu yini?
Yabona ubhara is the funniest skit maker ebulawayo.
He's dope.
Bara by far.
He's dope.
Okunye konke is chebo.
But shout out to
Bara.
Aish.
Langa ke.
Ulanga uphi? Cheza lesiya.
I knew what I was doing.
Ulanga.
But
Ulanga.
shout out to Steez, that boy. Shout out to
I don't know
Steez.
angimazi. I haven't seen his
Steez,
shit.
yeah,
But
like
I think he's doing well.
like sengilokumbona akufiti yami sethi.
I don't know sokwenza ama skits wena.
Haki.
Remember indala le.
Isikonkludile.
Yakwazi emoteni ke yantshela.
Already.
Ithathe sama milkshake.
Ngathi
Belo sotho or something.
I think so.
How do you even get
I had a smoothies and milkshake business called Spuzo. But I see you remember?
Ngiyakhumbula.
Spuzo, yeah, Spuzo.
Awuliyazana ukuthi umdala. Akula umuntu uyazana lo price omncane. The only person ngakuthe the only person omncane uyazana lo price ngumongi. Ngiyakutshela ngumongi yethu. Akula umuntu omdala uyazana.
Anyway, when best experience yakho how you in Cape Breeze?
Alapha basifafaza la.
Mina I've never dated an industry person.
Why?
I don't know, dog.
Why?
For the life of me, I couldn't figure it out. But I've never. Maybe utolo I've always in my head felt like. Oh, actually, yes. Wait, let me say it like this. You know how they say, in relationship, whenever Zalin Bako is usually like, because it's during your formative years, that's how you kind of formulate an idea of how relationships work.
Yeah.
So maybe mne khanda lami I always grew up thinking ukuthi wena lapho sebenza khona lapho mama sebenza khona vele kuhlele kuzindawo ezitshiyeneyo. Because my parents had different jobs. Like they were in entirely different fields. So because of that, I feel like I've never looked for industry girls. Plus 18 years old.
So lapho uthini man amna manje leyo angiyeqi so lapha wena
Mina ngithi abantu bebekhuluma
industry lapha
ngutshela abantu bebekhuluma ukuthi bale HIV kumbe bale AIDS because those is two separate things my brother.
Okay.
I-HIV sesingayidzingi.
afuna emncombatha dog
Hit the walls a little bit.
Please some educator dog
Hayi but the HIV yadzwenkeka statistically. Just stay away from the walls.
lapho khuluma from
Stay in the middle a little bit. AIDS wa mama.
What about you, Velevet?
Ukuthini?
I know industry uthe uyiswinge. Wonge AIDS.
No, like best experience.
Ngikho ngiyabuza ukuthi ukuthini kwakhona kuthiwa what about you vele.
No. Like I was going back to the question, the initial question.
are we what do you rephrase what you went
I would like, what was your best experience in a relationship, dating someone in the industry or someone who's not?
ongekho kuyo khathesi so currently vele
Mina vele lami it's always
good
been
I
like that,
got some good things happening
Oh, congratulations, brother. Dark skin niggas 2, light skin niggas 0.
beautiful Han Noisia good
Uyabukela ini podcast baby.
nah my Han is not really like the social media type like even her Instagram for some time imengayenza ukuthi Jay you know you're too beautiful
So
man.
yini la vele reply
La
kuma DM.
vele bemfuya compare.
How? Lina inele ngena ama DMs.
No, I don't jump into the DMs. I was just posting for you know, because she doesn't really. She's not keen about. She's a chef. Umuntu othanda ukuziphekela and
Oh,
all that.
nice.
Then
Nice, brother.
yabo thanda ukunakekela.
So manje mina limbiza endlini to. Hayi weseze gawulo lezi.
Don't worry. We're organizing something. Zolibiza lonke.
Yeah, cooking. Ezinye
She's gonna cook.
wazibizela.
Lizwile emergency invite
Hayi,
you.
ezinye
Uzwana
wazibizela.
zina.
Phela
ezinye
kulasiya ukuthi
ungazibizela.
zingakeli
Hayi,
kubizwa
yeah.
umcimbi wakhona usayenzakala.
Anti azizwa ezingo sound engineer zihlala zicabanga ukuthi yizo kumele ziqale ukubizwa.
Yibona abana cameraman abahlafuna ama memory card.
Ibethunywayo kuyabiza abantu.
Oh baba sanika ukuthi andinika ukuthi sengilafuna memory card.
So nalithi ukhanya media uhlafuna ama memory card.
Kuthiwani?
Uhlafuna ama memory card. Ngoba kaphakulela ngisaladi. Ngiyadlalela matheni. Yathola ukukhuluma sokari kulento enjalo enzakalayo la. Sukhanya ngani wena
Kona
Ali chomlami ya.
ngani le nto yazi.
Angixotshane nami. Xothane nami. Ndireke we.
Khona okwaziyo yona. You can tell us.
Hayi ngiyazidlalela mina majensi. Yazi bemfuthi uthini? Mana ubusathini la? Lento ezivuya ikhuluma futhi.
Ubekhuluma ukuthi the current relationship ayikiyo yemnandi. So
Azikhohliwe anyway.
Breezy.
Kunento engifuya ikhuluma. Ubutheni?
wabekhuluma ukuthi unguchef uyampostela ku social media.
No, but
There we go. Right. Actually bekuyindaba ye social media majensi. Kulesikhathi I think around 2017 2018 where ngokuyisikhathi ama follow train lesiya it was like a good hustle going on. You could open an Instagram page yezinto zama follow train even you post ama picture ama cherry get your page to a certain number of followers and then you do what you sell the page. So I knew like 2 or 3 boys out doing that hustle. Ngabe ngitshela boys zami ngathi a chance ilitshona endlini le internet lapha kulokuthi tender lapho kulele phonga uthola kuyama picture kwe cherry ngani consistent ithi pa but ikwenza kube ngani kuba local. Maybe if you get your page to 20,000-30,000 followers you can get someone local to pay money to then get that page.
Using that page.
Boys zakhala maybe says 2,000 followers. Ama DM umdala. And the worst part of how much this was you. Boys zami zathi hayi.
Tell us. Tell us. We want to know
what much that busy kuma DM bro.
Ukuthi ngavele zazi ruthless zazi ya catfisher zidla imali.
Zazi ya catfisher but boys zami zabala ama morals zathi lokhu kuyangisa lokho ndoda. usubona uprice sipho.
Shout out to shout out to abazali bakho hayi abafana balama morals.
Yazi wa raise abafana bala morals. Ipoys that haya zavala ipage. But kule nyichomi yami ngiyazi personally ezingu2 ezasezifuna lokusenda imali.
Abafana bakho bathola kungayisimi mina ngangiyayithatha. Ye baba, ukitafuna lapha. Ikhendi sabe singaswakali. Sabe singaswakali.
Wesa kumjini umbone ngena uthi uzobhemishisha la uzobhemishisha. Uzakhululeka ngatheni ithi imali endaba.
Enathi imali yakhe.
Enathi imali yakhe.
Be eating his money. Be nice. Hey, but hey, hi.
Wena ingqondo ezivoliwe sengibonile. Why do my ngibona ingqondo ezivoliwe. So ngike ngakuzukhuluma something earlier that I wanted to pick your brain on because we are khuluma ngani ukuthi entertainment industry locally. Do you think there's a fix for what you feel like is what's the problems with the local entertainment industry?
Wait. Sorry. Before you answer, I think it's good for us to ask you what exactly do you do, bro? Because
okay,
so ngaba kule viewer engakwazi ukuthi uvele wenzani.
Okay.
You know? So I think mere like usitshele ukuthi who are you? What do you do?
Bachel Tinzan.
Uvele yi.
Bachel Tinzan. Uvele is soulmate ka Black Diva. Ngibona kwazilo.
Guys, lefuna ungichithele umuzi.
Wena kodwa ungathembi uthi umlo ukuthi ekukhulumele. Lo uthi
umlo.
umlo.
I need to reintroduce myself.
My name is Labana when this Dindu Chomako party will address that one later. When this Dindu Chomako. What the fuck is that? The term Ricky, that's a long
It's
face.
not about It's not about him.
Yeah, it's about very.
It's about very right now.
Yeah, sure,
Yes.
very.
So listen very carefully. Okay, Shara guys. Mina igama lami uPride Khangelani Nqobile Mhlanga ugasela umzila kaWlandeli ngalandeli asikhohlisa. Umvemve. That's me on a personal level.
Umvemve.
Umuntu
Okay.
Ukhebeso. Yeah, gasela. Yeah, personal level. Right. Enikwenzayo. Uvele iBlack Cherry. Soka lentombi is an entertainer, performing artist, singer, songwriter, MC, hype man,
DJ.
soon to be DJ also.
Oh shit.
Yeah. And I'm already producing also.
Really?
Yeah. I'm already producing.
Let's cut out Tori Katari.
Yeah, I'm also a guitarist.
Really?
Yeah, is Qatar related gifted.
Nangansithu zamuloko zamakhiwa cause ungakhumbula isikhathi sakwala ama-dread lana futhi akuchaza amakhiwa la. Ama-dread lana ngana.
Ngahamba ngorasta.
Ethwala iKatari.
Ngithwala iKatari.
Ngathi le ifubhebho ngami.
Yeah, but yeah.
Phela i-Westlife lo sikhosana nje obushayi.
Ngijani?
Akula.
Kabe kuyi South Life.
Sikhosana yini?
Then South.
Sikhosana yini?
Uthe yini uprice?
Sikhosana yini?
Wow. Okay, bibhenga nje futhi khosana. Kumbinja lena ukuthi uthoka uNdlovu nathi ithenge la chukela.
Usikhosi.
Uyenye nje ukuthi uNdlovu nathi ithenge la chukela. Mangazi bamenzani koNdlovu manje.
Sikhosana vele hlala limonela. Hlala limonela lino Sikhosi.
But anyway, now that we've got that out of the way, Yuguchi, who is Vele and stuff. Yeah, I think is you can.
Oh, I'm also a dancer and a choreographer.
Your last song.
Yeah, everything entertainment.
Yeah, I host one of the biggest.
You dance on a pole or dancing?
I can also do that. I said I can also do that. I didn't say
No.
I am doing it or I
You just
do
said
it.
you're a dancer.
Yes, I am a dancer and a choreographer.
Like proper dancer.
Yes.
No.
I host one
Awufaki
of
mic
the,
eceleni lapho uzephe one time.
Ngithi, I host one of the biggest
Okay.
dance festivals or
Oh.
dance
Competitions.
competitions curated. Try Battle Rival School Africa.
Okay.
It's partnered with Trace.
Oh.
It's been 3 years
It's
going.
big shit. It's big
Ngilabo.
shit.
It's a big dog, this one.
Okay.
Babo, take notes.
Bhala ama notes mfana. Yeah. So even nxa ku category yona le uyadinganya ukudingela abafana bezokushaya
uyagida uyachama skiti uyapodcasta uyahlabela awudlala idiski wenzani okwe sengiqamba kuningi
ongani actor.
Nguyu my life your entertainment lo.
My life your entertainment.
But your last song,
man.
bro.
Man.
Guys.
Ikhuluma liphendukile man.
Ubani? UTI ubani?
UTI.
UTI Kim Ngoma.
He's Paris.
Ube cool down so
Kuthiwa 10.
Ayathelela abantu abadala elina hlonipha nabantu abadala.
But gents, uyakwazi ngo 2000 and something uStana wako remix uMaya uMaya sasibuza uStana sengoma loliyana hey play ku radio ndoda. Uyakwazi Jay manje utheni pre-internet times ngokulula ukuthi abantu laba.
Yeah, abantu abalimaza.
Ndoda ngoba ingoma leni yayiplay ku ZFM or whatever. They used to play that shit on radio. Like I couldn't just go on a Drake song right now, add a verse and get them to play it on radio. Because, you know, people have wised up now.
This days vele bawubuza ukuthi beat leli ngelakho
No, they can't even use a YouTube beat. Stana wathatha uMaya
la careers phela ba player ngabe eshaya kumbe kuthiwa taking it back to what
Urban Grooves.
Yeah, Urban Grooves used to take ingoma zakudala, translate them into
Kulala bana futhi
local
abahlabela
language.
liyanu.
Slice. Try slice.
Ooh, my day. You are.
No. In the way.
My video yakho lena patch road.
Mame translate Westlife.
No.
Hey, you are my fire.
Westlife ini le. How?
Hi Backstreet.
Backstreet.
I'm very disappointed in you guys.
Onumdala wena.
No, it's just that song yabona it's my favorite karaoke song.
Put that.
Babe tuna lo Black Diva.
Anije ufuna ukuchitha umshado wami. Anije ufuna ukuchitha umshado wami.
Uyabona ukukhuluma inyongo because usewakhuluma.
Ufuna ukuchitha umshado wami.
Yabona usolo.
Into zakudala come on matawa. Into zakudala
Inyongo
matawa.
yobulongo.
Guys, this is for entertainment purposes only.
For sure,
Wink,
definitely.
wink.
We don't even look like
Disclaimer
this.
vele khona.
We don't even look like this in real life.
Yes,
Yeah.
Fela,
for
you
sure.
asked a
This is AI.
question.
Ask
Naba.
AI. Ask AI. This is AI, guys.
You asked him a question. Then he unije
Yeah. And to build into say Kuruma because he had Nganufu Kuruma, bro. How you feel about the industry and how you feel like there's a fix, not in many words, but say your piece, my brother.
Guys, ngashangana method linganchayi. Ame ngihlale ngikhulumile because kulama cult followers abanye abantu, yabo? Mina nje I believe ukuthi sisanormalize mediocrity. 1. Yabona. 2 ku city yethu lapha umkhobholo nje unnecessary ukhona. I won't say names or anything, but like umkhobholo ukhona
Ulanga demand khuluma.
Hayi. Uzikhulumele yedwa nomzwile.
The views khona kuyona umbhalo oqaliseni.
Umkhobholo unnecessary. Le into anti ilevel nje le industry ukuthi let's level up, let's lock in, let's do it.
Alikafiki.
Asiko guys.
Yeah.
Asiko. I don't know. Asiko because maybe it's because the other thing is the exposure that I'm getting now. Because I used to be one of the people who complain. I'm telling you, I was rapping Dotin, but then you know when you get to see certain things, no, but laba ABC lo siyame eqathini sifuna ukufika ngale ku F uyabona so
uthi ufraud
alali chenile ku F salibona wawona sazitshele njani ku video yazo lezi
ustayiliwe phela kaze ungasakhanyi lokuthi ngihlale eChabalala extension awusongani ngiphume eSanta
ngapi
eSanta
no but iChabalala extension la songayikhuluma fence xa ungale
wena yenza kwesikhiwa mina ngitshela umncumbathe ngiyathini ya nje Chabs extension
4 baby.
No, I'm saying
but that could actually be dope on a little intro. Chabs extension 4 baby.
EXT, no, from EXT. But you know, kuna lokho ukuthi ukuthi exposure ngani say short yafunakala exposure ngendlela zonke lokutshela namaqiniso guys bakhona abanye vele ama voice akho alikwanisi ukuhlabela akukho kumele sike sihlale phansi che ayikho but then they've got good writing skills. You are allowed to
There's
write
actually-
for someone.
there's
Mina
actually-
vele ngabe ngifuna abantu angambhalela ngishaya ngamaphimbo amnandi
Ngishaya
but
ngama-vocals.
nxa uzaba selfish uyehlabela ubhimba ngena umakhiya 1000 but it's a story for another day.
But
Kule
he's
saying, Yana-
landing, yamuzwa.
Guys, landing.
Because like what he's saying is
Hayi,
constructive
mana,
criticism.
mana, sorry Jay. Ibala leli ulizwe lamuhle nelokulenda.
Senze ngakhohlwa lo
Lo kazi ngakade vele UK.
Olendileyo. Press, wangafu press.
Pipi uyiza lapho.
Uthini umzala uthini ama-pounds phela thenga nomzala
Uphathela ama-bo-off.
Sengikhohliwe.
mina mbhemi ipayaya Jake andiyuli mbhemi ipayaya
Khuluma ke Price. Siyakunika leli tour.
Lenda Topi.
engakhuluma uprice
Selendile.
saku-terminal A
Hey.
ngabe mfuna ukuthi
Hey,
it actually makes me happy ukubona ukuthi amajita amaningi i-industry abeyazana. For example, I didn't know ukuthi you know these guys yabo,
abanye abantu babazela from afar.
which is fine.
Especially the ladies, you know.
Yeah, which is fine.
Hayi sawa phela ubhudlwana. Seloke ngihlupha.
Ata ubhudlwana omnyama.
Eish. And uyifaka kuhle.
Anti-
But you know it's
yeah.
dope knowing mina into ngawutshelana ukuthi ama creatives amaningi engangicabangela or from afar ukuthi they're not how they are or who they are. When I came closer, dang man, share some good energy, good vibes, they're great people. So na yona ngantsheli
Khuluma vuleka. Khuluma.
Ngabe useduze.
Sulenda.
bakhona abanye ababeze bekhuluma irubbish mina lami mina ngiyamela abantu abashare energy lami kuhle. That's me. So
That's
if
actually a very-
someone raps doti me nami vele sungani ukhulumela nxa ungakhuluma kube ngonishe sukhulume vele ngabe ngimelunishe ngikhuluma idoti ngakhuluma kube ngo semfana.
That's actually a very mature point to say.
Yeah.
To edify what my brother here has been saying. Nzali xokele esinye story. Mina akhulele eGwabalanda.
Yeah.
Dize la kwamaplanka ngale. So ngangisehlele eDollar House lapha. Indle yangikhaya last line ekhaya le eMagwegwe North. So next door langikhaya nje wabe kumuva yini omnye chomo ethi oyi boys eyisezeme esishoneni. Sasimbiza Mkoma. Yabo. Umkoma umama khwela umsika. Company getting. Ndoda. Unkoma wayehlalela ama chips lama chingam. Yazi ngangifisa njani sibe lo msika ngikhaya. Because at that age that's what was of value to me.
Yeah.
You know, I used to ngalihlupha abazali bami nje ngithi ngiyacela ama chance thina ngikhazi yahawula wayesingenamsika. And then obviously my mom would be coming from work and my dad would be coming from umsika wani dog. But at that age what was of value to me was the fact umkoma is first guy ngambona empilweni noma waba machinga ama-10 awuphosele emlonyeni.
Shit.
Cracker Jacks.
Mazep next.
Umkoma nje kwele Cracker Jacks sun up till sundown.
Victoria mtana.
Yey. Elani le pepe li green le lana.
You know what I'm saying?
Mexicano.
Odoing.
Mexicano. So, because
Yeah, I know.
at that
Shiri, batho ba baholo.
hey Mexicano la ngathi.
Dog.
Mexicano le testes but the testes dibe later. Anyway, this is where my point is going. Because at that age, that was what was of value to me. I really thought this is because ngangingumntwana. And I use this story to edify indaba because once you get the exposure and you go out there and become active in bigger industries, you realize ukuthi even izinto esiziconsider i-gatekeeping lapha or into abantu ndoda ngama-Mexicano lawana ndoda. Not even i-chewing gum, not even i-chappies, i-ball gum leliyana. Othi ungalifumbatha uwokhu endlini uyathola isandla sesiyiredi khaya. Yabo?
Yeah.
Apricot.
No, that's true, man.
Nxa olanga ndimande. If it's still views. Shut the fuck up, man.
ngikulinka ngisiyakhatshana kancane uDavido ube renta Caris like you saw so Grammys thingy
I didn't see.
yeah Grammys thingy Davido went like yina ngabe lokho ngijikela ama nominations ami ansafake mina lapha vele alisibona manje so angithi nazithi gatekeeping and sikhona apha ku gatekeeping because ngikubamba khona yabo uDavido lapha sithini anti yona ubuloko ngihlazela lapha ngombuzo uzithi mina ile artist la ngisengibuza manje
No.
what are we saying with that
Yeah, but it's fine, bro, because at that level you're playing at the highest level. There's so much that's on the line with those kind of things. I can understand when niggas crash out over shit like that. What I feel like we're still sisadlala is niggas crashing out locally.
So what are you saying? Are you despising what we regard as gatekeeping here? When there's higher level, because kule gatekeeping your Burj Khalifa le Pioneer House. Like it's different.
That's my point. That's what I'm saying. Him, not
that's
him.
what you were
yeah,
saying.
I'm saying. I feel like there's so much more we could really be up in arms over. And in
So they keep keeping bullshit, basically.
all of it. Very gatekeeper, gatekeeper.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying? Gatekeeper. I'm a Mexicano. That's my point. That's
Oh.
what. I feel like dog.
Keep it gango when there's caviar.
There's so much to play, and you only see it
Okay,
when you
my
go to
bad.
really when you're active in other countries that have really big entertainment industry.
so
They're like,
so mina bese ngikupambanisa ukuthi anti abantu singalibali ukuthi anti akulo ko gatekeeper lapha anti but Caris kulo Davido yakhala yabo ukuthi lingangenzi njalo yabo yeah.
but ngithi asiyekhala sesikhona. Asiyekhala sesikhona. Singakhalisi la. Lapha Jeki.
Akuncedi ngalutho.
Meet K Breeze, the future Grammy winner and nominee. Nanyam endorser. Angizwa ngani. Sengiqalisa khona apha ngeconfidence. Endorser mbinja man. Asibangene.
30 Grammy mina Dakutu and K Breeze.
Lichemele futhi njengobhuti wakho. Zile ubhuti wakho yena uthi phela bamvalela ama-account uthi yena mina manje njengoba sebemvalela ama-account hayi guys lingakhohlisi mina ngibipolar
Yazi ngiyakhula mina.
laphana ngize ngitshayelele ngekhanda.
Speaking of, guys, the Epstein files came out.
Damn. Hey, Leo.
Yep.
Leo.
Give our viewers the
3
context.
million pages of the Epstein files came out. And not one page had the name Aubrey Drake Graham. I'm just going to start there. They're not
Wait.
going to build into other things.
Can I open with this? Quagmire was not in those. Quagmire was not in
Was
those
not in
files.
Shout out.
Giggity.
Shout out.
Giggity. The Epstein.
Ngapha lo but you know it's so much that's happening. Ngapha lo Butazi yaqhaqheka kuma Grammy host.
Trevor.
Trevor.
Kanti mathethe uTrevor kuthiwani maningi.
Trevor.
Kanti phela majenzi ngathi bathi ubathi uTrevor gay.
Bathi bathi khuluma kuNicki Minaj.
Trevor.
Nicki Minaj, who hasn't been wrong to this day. This might be the first time she's wrong.
Aye. How do you know?
Or it is what it is.
It is what it is.
I mean, I got city, bro. We need more dark-skinned niggas in the industry. Thank you for holding down the fort, my brother.
We didn't give them context of the Epstein
Right.
files. And
I'll try to give a little bit of context. Epstein files. I think have we spoken about them before?
No.
It's Jeffrey Epstein, who was a famous quote-unquote banker, a Jewish banker in the United States, lived a very secret and lavish lifestyle. But he got arrested for solicitation for prostitution, trafficking of minors, and basically sex cult shit. It's like a Jewish P. Diddy, you know? And then this is where you know this guy was fucked up. He documented most of his shit. And this is where the assumption or the angle comes in, which he was a Mossad agent. And Mossad is CIA Israel. So he was like a 2-year Israel. And he was there to get as much dirt as possible. Leverage on influential American politicians, persons of interest and whatever.
Celebrities.
Celebrities, all of that shit. Because he had diaries going back
Pastors
decades.
and priests don't
Alice.
leave anything out.
You know, or anyone who was.
Akuningi.
Yabo.
Yes.
So now, when they arrested him, was it in 2018? It was a while ago.
2019.
2019. The FBI and the DOJ, the Department of Justice, took hold of his computers and they found files upon
Alice.
files, phone calls, correspondence,
Emails.
email payments, all of that shit. And then, so the only reason he was probably keeping that shit because he was using it as blackmail,
Leverage, yeah.
which would explain why America is always
Yeah, bekuyinyuku
backing up Israel, but that's a separate story. So anyway, they've been holding on to these files for 5 years or something because they've been scouring them. So about a week back, they put out about 3 million pages of files, and a lot of people seem to have corresponded. Elon Musk, wayebuza ukuthi kathi ngibuye nini? When is I'm gonna be in that area? When can I come? When there's a wild party?
Bangene.
Wild party engane. Umbole tweet esithi
So, akusho ukuthi uBob wayele power vele.
ubani?
uBob ma wahamba before.
Ubomba.
uBob mbani wena mbani omnye uBob amazi? Rodman.
Umgathuso lithini? Ubob ngubupop.
Bob.
Ubob wahamba.
Zimbob.
Wahamba.
Utholakele vele emafayilini.
Kalina lithini kanje?
Hayi.
We're telling you. Yebo.
Ah,
Yebo.
sesifuna.
Me, I'm gonna say this.
Sesifuna.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
Yeah.
Gabi is in the files.
Allegedly.
Yeah.
Allegedly.
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 That's
Ubusungamjoyina.
That's crazy. Shit, that's crazy. No, that one missed me.
Yep.
But then you problem because this guy was quote unquote a banker. Because some of the angles they are saying is not everyone who went to go see him. For example, Chris Tucker. Chris Tucker was one of the first ones to come out because he has that picture where they flew with him and Bill Clinton to Africa and back.
Mana. Pinda lapana. He flew with.
Bill Clinton.
Yeah, kona pana. Bambisisa kona pana.
So again, Chris Tucker was in a plane, no Bill Clinton, no Jeffrey Epstein.
Okay.
And that shit is.
Who is the pilot?
Okay.
Quagmire.
Pilot one did him, man. Hey, if plane if you break a runway, you put ski.
Shout out
Baby. Oh,
shout out to
Uthe,
Curtis.
Ain't no
Shout out
party
to
like a
Curtis
titty party.
Uthini utheni ibizo lakhe lalingekho kodwa ngiyobotshiwe kwathiwa iwe competition.
Yeah. So, well, in the hip hop circles, which is where I'm active because I'm a multi-award-winning rapper. Thank you very much.
Yo.
In the hip hop circles, the matter of debate was the fact that ube mention Jay-Z or Pusha T in those files. So angazi nalithini ngendaba Jay-Z or Pusha T before ngifaka wami umbono. I feel like I've been monologuing.
Ngibona
for a while.
ukuthi ibattle kaDrake yaqala kudala.
Right.
Kulada.
Ngapha mbonela ubhudazi ufuture. Tweet yakhe something nyana ngani uhlasela Madam B.
Oh, as a commenter, what? Ubontu feature comment a picture of Beyonce. What is
Now that Hove gone. What they say about you?
Hey. All I can say is it's gonna be hell of a ride.
Well, 50, I think Wakuluma, what Jay-Z is up next. A lot of people have said Jay-Z is up next.
I still wonder how 50 is alive.
Bro. And I'm also gonna say this, bro. It's like once your shit is now in the public, 50 like whoever the previous information he writes on it. 50 was one of the first ones who can get into PT.
Yeah, because in K-Breeze, the thing is, people these days, like us when Keris Jackson, it's been a long time since we saw 50. 50 is just tweeting, but
Yeah.
guys, these days this is Keris Jackson. This is my grandmother's grandchild.
Yeah.
This is Keris Jackson, always smart, always in a suit. Who's 50? He just changed the face and kept quiet. I was like, damn, it's been a long time since we saw 50.
I remember the one too.
Jay-Z because I'll post to Jay-Z. So I feel like he knows something. I'm also gonna say this. The people who've been defending Jay-Z mentioned the fact that Jay-Z is not actually in the Epstein correspondence. He was Jay-Z and Pusha T was submitted as an anonymous tip. Someone who was a girl was saying she was a victim, Jay-Z was there, Pusha T was a handler. So it's an unverified tip.
So alleged.
Vele akukho
Allegedly.
verified, mase kungabanye abantu.
However, I'm going to say the FBI, you can check online, it receives about 3,000 tips per day.
Per day.
And then it sifts through those tips for something they call actionable intel. This is something that either fits in with an ongoing investigation or a pattern or a trend that they've already ascertained. So I personally think the most resourceful and efficient investigation bureau on the planet wouldn't just allow any. Because do you think they just put that out there?
Nah.
Ngabelanga
Kebe kule lead.
Demon Waynes.
Okay.
Kebe
And-
kule lead.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah,
For them
they'll
to
be
say, nah, this
lead.
one will keep it in there. Because some of the shit is blacked
Incredible.
out, is it not? But they kept that one nigga Jay-Z or Pusha T. Because either they know something.
Well, the power they have is just too.
No, the other thing is, Jay's got some.
But do you notice a
some guns,
parent?
guys.
There's
Like,
skeletons.
A parent, Yoguchi, most of these people that are under fire, most of them, they are black celebrities.
Yeah, but that
Donald
doesn't mean they
Trump's
didn't
not
do it.
black.
I'm telling
No. I'm not saying that Gucci they didn't do it. I'm saying Gucci. I saw this real Gucci. Abantu they will say racism. I say, but isakhona on other levels. Abantu abangananzeleli ukuthi like the white community really protects each other.
But thina ngapha siyabangenela bethu.
Yes, thina ngapha abetu bona they will keep putting out izinto zonke zona ezinjani ezenzakalayo.
so they want
Ezabo they hide it. Bona they probably do worse stuff.
So they want us to protect pedophiles. Is that what?
Or they're using. You mean they're using black people as scapegoats? That's what you're saying.
No. I'm saying Gucci they are
Where did
putting
you see this
I will tell
real?
you.
they are putting out Ilokuzin. Ama stories of black celebrities more than they putting out stories of white celebrities.
No, that's true.
Mani real we bonenga.
man. Awuzanga ku Facebook.
Tell Facebook.
Actually, it was a short on YouTube.
Oh.
Oh, yo.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, what point there is?
Because when it comes to Ama stories, Ama celebrities, those things I watch them on YouTube. I don't get them online.
But listen to my point. You Bryce. Listen to my point.
I hear you.
I feel like what you're saying is true, but it's not maybe a race thing. It's always about what's the word I'm looking for? It's about what's man. Point here. It's about what's the most clickable. Because one of the first instances that showed Duty people lead with what gets the most memes or jokes, or what's the clickable the most, is the fact that they raided P. Diddy's house and they found footage of freak off hidden cameras and footage of freak off, but the most popular story was baby oil. And that wasn't even a crime. There was actual crime going on, but the leading stories for most newspapers was 1,000 bottles of blood.
But we know we know why the baby oil thing was like
But what's the issue? No, I feel like it's because it's clickable.
Ah,
Because it's fun.
No.
come on.
So as go very people.
Come on.
Why engayithandi try McMillie utry.
It's okay.
They don't love me for my ambition. So obviously, there's worse people in the Epstein files than Pusha T and Jay-Z. There's Prince Charles, there's Elon Musk. But I feel like as the black community, maybe you do have a point. We're quick to jump on our own.
Yeah, because like statistically, there are more white celebrities.
Yeah,
than-
more powerful people than
Exactly. So there is a chance Yoguti, there is more of white people shit in there.
Yeah.
And Jabona Gates, okay, Elon Musk is a person who can be a topic that can easily trend, but is not trending.
I feel like he's also maybe told to ya. X anyway. We have
And then also he was I think he was at the beginning he was the only influential person, prominent, who was pushing for the release of the files. You remember that tweet when he said, "Oh, by the way,
Trump is in the
Trump
files.
is in the files."
Or labana beze bekamana.
And got busy uphakathi.
What?
You didn't see the pictures.
Yo,
But
talk
Epstein never
about
pictured
Obama,
Obama.
dog.
The pictures that were trending were of a little baby, like a minor, a child, ongani maybe 9 years. Ehlezi on his lap, and then eceleni kule picture of that child, engani bondage of some sort.
Yo. Eish.
Khana sifingani emhlabeni lo mina sengi right.
Kodwa kule video futhi what's this? John Legend and the wife, they're on red carpet or some shit like that. And then they ask them like a funny bedroom question, right? And they say, like the way up in the Langako, it's like they were with the Obamas doing the thing, and then the guy John Legend just like he wasn't answering anymore. But the wife was ranting. Why look at Kulu?
Machisa so AI le.
Ngiyakwazi kodwa ukuthi omunye ade ikhona yabana bani. Uzoom umsholo.
Machenza.
Indoda enamakhanda
Anyone?
amabili.
Yeah.
Yeah. For real.
He was beating them with the machine wow.
Umshini wami.
Every time I come here, I'm abused.
Well done. Well done, Bryce.
Yeah, no.
Maybe sebeza man. Sebethi asiphosele wonke umuntu. And then but you remember what Dave Chappelle said? He said we're living in the age of spin. There's so much tragedy coming out every day. People don't care anymore. It could be the biggest breaking news of all time. By next week,
It's now normalized.
because to be honest, bro, the Epstein files should be career ending for
Everyone.
Yeah, for sure.
But you'll see. 2 weeks down the line, says Kuma boy. You can umdala bisifunge Greenland lana nisizamuthi sikhohlwe ngalo. Then yahlanya there.
Venezuela is too far from Zimbabwe.
That guy is the first black president they've had. I'm telling you, that's the first black president they've had. That is Trump. That
Ali
a
real
crazy
G,
guy.
man.
Hlanya lo. See, want to tell you Trevor no. So anyway, in the Trevor no.
Yes.
Trevor, I guess he made some jokes on the Grammy stage. He was a host. I don't know what he said. Nicki Minaj wasn't impressed. Nicki Minaj, you say what? Donald Trump like.
Yeah, there was this special guy, Trevor Noah. He once said to Guti, you Americans, you are very emotional. You are a strong military power. You can defeat us when we go to war. But we know Guti, we know we can always hurt you. We can always hurt your feelings. And that proved his point. You're Guti like, he's a comedian. Everything goes as a comedian. And
How you support us in
like
treating black as
there
comedians?
are American celebrities that have done worse jokes on that stage, but they have never trended like Trevor Noah. Because the issue is there is a hidden agenda. Okay, he's getting all those stages because he deserves them. He's talented in that way. But then they will always want to see an American celebrity doing that thing rather than
an African person.
Yeah, because
That makes sense, though.
America always wants umuntu who's excelling in something and change your citizenship and identify as an American. But he never did that. So isn't as azenzayo engavele enze into encane is easily attacked. Even there's an article ukuthi Donald Trump wants to sue him.
He even tweeted.
I wanted to give them like the full context of what he actually said.
Yeah.
So Trevor was speaking about something, and he knows the beef that Young Money has with the Grammys. You remember that speech that Drake did about the Grammys and what, and Eminem also saying, "I'd rather lose to Zbani what." So they were basically saying that the Grammys don't favor talent; it's who has likeness at that time.
Connection.
You know? So he started saying, after he said whatever he said, he was like, "Oh, Nicki Minaj is not here. She's probably at the White House." And Donald Trump is saying, "No, my ass is is bigger than
than
yours.
yours.
Blah, blah,
My
blah.
ass is bigger than yours.
So mentioning those two in one sentence, that's when Nicki Minaj came out and said, "Oh, Trevor, you're just gay. You can't come out and everyone knows who your boyfriend is." And then
Can I read the actual
she
tweet?
also tweeted. So when Trevor cracked that joke, Chrissy, like John Legend's wife, she waved at the camera saying, "Bye, Nicki Minaj." And then that's when she tweeted, "Wuti, Chrissy, everyone knows Chrissy has a dick or had." And then they pulled up her old tweets, like from 2012. She was saying something about a toddler doing a split turns me on, put me in jail. Or I want to see toddlers, or having sex with a toddler is what. Those are things she tweeted. Akutilitwanga, nothing, everything was still there. So that's how people started believing the gay rumors, because what?
Can I read the actual
If you say
tweet
something
for
about
context?
somebody else and then a tweet kind of supports, and then they started pulling out those Trevor tweets. A city parents who have kids should be arrested for tempting pedophiles, but they took it out of context because they were speaking about some criminal thingies about pedophiles in Swaziland and stuff. So that's where the whole beef actually was.
Ithini tweet lava Putomtar.
Okay, bemfuna ukuyibale ngakacontinue kwenzela ukuthi elende kuhle.
Ukulenda.
But anyway, she landed. Okay.
You're catching flies.
The tweet from Nicki Minaj on X says, Trevor refuses to come out the closet when everyone in the industry knows his boyfriend. Allegedly.
Allegedly.
That's the tweet. That's the tweet.
Yeah, and the Chrissy one, and then Donald. Donald then Donald Trump.
Hey.
Don't dada. What a post against the city.
Don't papa.
Yeah, he wants to sue, blah blah blah. I don't know about the Donald Trump part,
But did you hear the line that you pulled on Kendrick Lamar? But Kendrick
Yeah.
Lamar enjoyed it. He said, "Hey, I wanted to say something about you. It was going to be funny, but I remembered what you do to black people from other countries."
Yo.
What?
Yeah, to light skin. Hey,
Yeah, to light skin niggas from other countries.
Vele bamtshelile ube backroom bathi sicela udeclare to Kendrick lapha stage. Vele Kendrick siyamazi ngama Grammys. Anyway,
Yeah, nah, it's not the biggest. Yeah. Shout out to Kendrick though, because
no, fuck no, not on this podcast.
Sorry.
Uzamshout out. Uzamshout out lo Master KG ukuthi. Zakhuluma ama points ayi. Fast.
Kabara mdala.
Unaz has 1 Grammy.
Yeah.
Tupac has 0 Grammys. Biggie has 0 Grammys. Kendrick Lamar has 5 Grammys from that one song about Drake. How does he have 5 Grammys from one song more than Ikariaga Park? Lo Biggie, lo Nas.
I was actually looking for a statement from I've forgotten the name of the guy. Angitoli, but it was a comment from someone who is in charge of nominees Ama Grammy Awards. Ama Grammy Awards, they don't work the way people want them to work, because there you submit your song, then there is a panel of people within the Grammys that deem ukuthi okay ingoma le yesiyithandayo. So it's not a people's thing, it's a community thing.
Fale Ballon d'Or.
Yeah.
Grammys
Exactly.
and Ballon d'Or.
So mina ngibe le garage lami vele bale garage la.
Vele akula nto ngayenza.
It's a touching story.
Yeah, that's what it is, bro. And that guy is an activist against pedophilia. He was on stage with Dr. Dre. You guys can go online. Dr. Dre's wife was 15 when Dr. Dre got her pregnant. It's there. Kendrick Lamar was on stage introducing with Dr. Dre. Hey, Tony. Hey, minor. So he's not really, he's a bullshit activist. I'll talk about this guy till I die. This is a fucking war. Anyway. So, official Vele.
Don't get emotional.
Any new projects people should look out for? What are you working on besides Ihite Tulia?
Okay.
Mina phela dobhudazi sile hits. But this time asila Master KG, silo Mkharimbe.
Yes.
Silo bani futhi omunye?
I don't-
uRebecca Malope.
Unjengondikhokhele.
Do you see we have the capacity to have those kind of people on the song?
Ngithe ingundikhokhele like. But I've been working. Okay, lama project amanye kade ngiwaspana for some time awe Afro House. But ngiyesaba.
No Black Diva, ubunjelile.
No. Anamuhla cha.
I'm sure that means that tekiswa ku Facebook.
No, but lama
Shouldn't have
guys
done it.
bengu studio came kathesi.
Oh, nice.
Oh, wait, bro. With who?
I was an essay, you know. I think komiski amanye yabona.
Chai, fanam,
I was
chai,
an
fanam.
essay, you know. So I was on studio camp with Afrotainment, you know.
Injali.
Shout out
Come
to
on now,
DJ
dog.
Tira, shout out to Camp Masters.
Shit.
Hey, Young Stunner was there.
Shit.
To Taylor and GL was there. What's this girl? Tato Harty was there.
Fuck.
What's it? Banengi guys.
You're doing well, my brother. You're making us
Banengi.
proud.
So, worked on something with DJ Tira and Zema Geba.
Oh, that's nice.
We're gonna be dropping soon. Soon.
But for now, abantu be stream why do me.
Soon. Abantu gareza bastruma idume.
I do me. Eh.
I-roster yani inkulu kodwa. Azi i-roster guys.
What was it do me never? It's sexy.
Jeko wenani? Ngisama nyobi. But anyways, guys, mina ngasithi kuduma imota siye bunandini, yabo.
Oh.
Alright.
Sikhuphuke nini,
Well, that
yabo.
does make sense.
Ayanyari.
That's fine.
Aliyala. But guys, ingoma leyana abangayaziyo ile roster enkulu la yakwazi.
So-
Ilabo Lime Crazy, ilabo Caesar, yabona.
This guy's got a very big song. Please go stream his song. Oh, sorry, Ikhulume. Once again,
I do me.
I do me.
There's Master KG,
Master KG,
Natty O,
Natty O.
Caesar, Lima Crazy, Mr. Brown, Leon Lee,
Lo vele vele.
lo vele vele. Uvele vele akafeature lapho. Ingoma yakhe lo Master KG, lo Spirit. I'm not the featuring. It's my song and Master KG and Spirit. Featuring Natty O, Lima Crazy, Labange Caesar, and the list goes on. It's a roster.
Dark skin
guys.
niggas are up.
Hey,
This one is for the culture. I mean, ngome buya do Jakutu so. I mean, lava
Watch
blind.
out. Watch out.
Hayi para ke phela ukhuluma ngetechnique azuzitha kuthi.
Lava mbaizi.
Ah, flopile.
Lava floppy. I take that big. I take that big. I take that big. But yeah, man.
Kulekudele la.
Ele vedi pes kwendlu. Ana but these days ngambona
Mina kubuye landelana.
wabona video kaDaycom lo maphorisa lo junior esebethatha ama shots estudio.
Uchile ecinene ba.
Yeah, But yeah, man. It's really nice having you here.
Shut up.
It'll be nice to have you again.
Yeah.
Zabona until you move around.
Yeah. Langithinta kuphela.
Yeah, anytime you're in the building, feel free, man.
Angafika ulevel and you can contact my manager, you know. Hayi la ngifonela. Ngabe ngikhona endlini. Yeah.
No manager wami ngubabo, so you guys can contact ubabo.
Ngubani?
Ngubabo.
Unozipho.
Yeah, but it would be dope being here.
Yeah. Anytime.
Yeah.
Not really, but sometime.
I know what you mean.
You want to give people your handles?
Yeah, you can akubonke nje amagagas emoyeni.
Ebulenjini. That's internet talks ebulenjini.
Web phela.
Azindebele sinzima
But
sometimes.
translate to web.
Yeah.
But ebulenjini. But it's fine. It's a story for another day.
It's a story for another day.
Right. Yeah. They can just check out official_Vele on our social media platforms. Wonke. Instagram, Facebook, what you call that? TikTok. Yeah.
X.
Ngisazama lokho kwe TikTok. Kwe X uyala ka so veke guys. Uyala, it's bad. I'm not but I'm trying.
But you're doing great, bro. You're doing better than Olang and Demand. Everyone here, basically. Anyone alive. Anyone alive is doing better than Lang and Demand. That boy is in his early 20s. William Manza has bad eyesight. What the fuck is that, bro? I was like, oh, do squint so. He's in his early 20s. He's a young boy.
Early?
What, mid?
Who?
Late?
Who?
That is Dara.
Who?
Ulanga.
20s. Oh, what?
How old is he?
Does that look like 20s to you?
Yabo? Yikukhawula kunga.
Hayi angikwazi lapho lapho angikwazi
Uthe phela la nini usithembisile sonke la as a podcast. Yeah, someone sent it. Uthe yena
He actually said, I know la papa filme la khona ngizabalanda lenkabi zami.
As if there is anyone who doesn't know where we film.
Mina manje yabona
When the biggest club in the city.
uyenzeni.
Okay, we're coming to you live from where?
Ube ku live.
Not
bashing
TikTok live.
and it's not the first time.
Yeah.
Wasibhala ku Twitter.
Lapha alibhala khona kunga. Kare sisilo moya umthetho velo active
But he
so.
did get doesn't he have
Vele kumele simbophe.
episode where he was here?
He's come here twice.
Twice.
Manje
Whopper! Ngiyafonela someone of the Zimbabwe Republic Police.
ngoba
Azokudopa mfana. Whopper!
Zafs.
Uyazi ngendlela ukukhulume ngayo esithi ngiyakwazi ama record khona. He said it like he was dropping a bomb. So nigga, everyone knows where you record, bro. It's the biggest club in the city. Shut the fuck up.
We're coming to you live from where?
Futhi uthe uyabuya namapansula ezichisa impama. What kind of self-respecting man threatens other men by using other men? Ngizayibiza umalume wami.
yo.
What the fuck is
Banini
that, bro?
aliz guys. Hinda.
What kind of self-respecting man threatens other men with other men?
Guys.
Who is watching Zimbabwe, bro? We're right here, bro.
But
Who's
then
watching
behind the
Zimbabwe?
phone, it's been usually see. But live.
I actually have a theory. Singakavali. I think Ulanga ule fetish yokuchaywa. I think engachaywa uyahamba ngibe esikomora because ngizizwe stories zonke. Nano lalela. Every time ngamchaya uyagada umchove ngibo.
Yeah. Aye kwenzani le tissue le lokhu zeni?
Xa usuka ngani uyafutha. Yabona nene ngani siya. Because I know like 8 people who he used to make fun of abamchayayo. Impama iqeda
And
kukhala.
that guy he pranked in public actually. Angazi wayesenza skip ban. Amenzani? Hey, but he still posted the video and it did nothing.
I see this kid lesana when he was trying to act like he's gay.
Yebo.
Esithi engani ukucall esithi aje ngimele omunye umjito oyiswiso.
Nomlando wathi ngubabami.
Oh, that one by
that one.
Babami.
Nakuthi angawubukela wakhe ngibukela kabhara.
Usiyabulanda umuntu evele silo lo mfazi wakhe ekuseni anti ngendaba nde. Udiscover omunye umntwana emfeni.
umuntu yabe ngaholanga.
Mina ngibukela kabhara yiwafani. Akabhara ayahlekiswa. Ngize ngiveze isilakalaka malihleka kabhara. And then he said, mina ngazonitshaya kodwa ndaba as long as ungambulalanga. Once again, bro, what kind of self-respecting man says shit like that? That's like saying, mina ngazoluchero as long as usebenzisa ikondom kodwa ndaba. What the fuck is that, bro?
Yeah, but keep your socks in.
Chana toka.
So this then gives you an idea ukuthi lapha I think usu-arguela ama-Mexicano la.
Hey. Asikunike enye memory asiwonile yo.
That's all I'll say, bro.
Ah.
That's all I'll say. But it has been another great episode of the BYO podcast. Umsangano 99. What? Ingxoxo 99. Umsangano and shit. Damn, I haven't been here in a while. Shout out to Ralph. Shout out to Mgcini. Shout out to Tumelo. Shout out to who do I want to say?
Ujaha.
Shout out to Ujaha. Alama shout out kat. Umayibongwe.
Nombego.
Nombego. Yeah, pretty much.
Nomongi.
Shout out to ama subscribers lababukelayo labalikeayo labacommentayo.
Hayi abantu abakwazi senzela bona naba.
Hey, but shout out.
Abantu laba.
Shout out.
Ngaba
Singaba
yini?
yini?
Ngaba yini ngaphandle kwakho bhoza yami?
Abanye benu futhi alikaze lisibhebhize but siyakwazi isifiso sikhona and it's a thought that counts. So thank you very much. That's something.
Siyabonga Pepper Tov.
Hey.
Danko.
Ben.
Sweet.
Nothing beats subscribing to the BYO podcast. Survive depression and your toxic co-worker.